Today I'm going to show you how to create this cute green swirl design, starting off with a coat of Tunnel of Lovers. Once that's cured, I'm going to take Mural and Peacock onto my palette with my S1 brush. Just going to map out my first swirl and then just make it slightly thicker at the top and fill in where necessary. I'm going to take my next colour and again map out the swirls first and then fill in where you just want to add a bit more dimension. Cure that in the lamp. Then using Layer It and my D4 brush, I'm going to create some fine lines throughout the swirls that I can add some detail into. Cure in the lamp for 60 seconds. Using my gold chrome and applicator brush, just buff in over those lines and brush off any excess with a lint-free wipe. I'm going to take White Magic and a dotting tool and just create some little dotty daisies, one to each side. And then using the remaining Layer It on my palette, add some of the gold chrome powder to create a paste and add the centres. I'm going to top coat the whole design, give it a wipe over with finishing wipe and you're done. Hope you enjoy.